My name is Shadi Amiri. I'm a manifestation coach and I teach you how to manifest your dream life in less than 12 months using my 100% proven method. Welcome to my channel. The manifestation method I'm about to share with you here on this video is the most important tool that you can have in hand to manifest all your dreams. It is 100% effective. There is no way for you to use this method and see no results because this is a code that is embedded inside the power of the universe. It is the code of the universe, and if you know how to use it, you're gonna rock manifestation. I'm going to share with you exactly why you need to stay consistent with your practices and how you need to stay consistent so this tool can work 100%, because the power of this tool, there is no doubt. It's like a magic wand in your hand, but how you use it and when you use it is important, and that's what I'm going to share with you at the end of this video. Bear with me because you're going to be in wow in a moment. The manifestation method I'm about to share with you here is called 155 method, which is the code that comes inside the universe. How does this method work? 155. There is something you have to do 100 times and then something you have to do 55 times at the same time while you do the 100 times to receive the magic out of it. How long does it take for you to manifest doing this method? The more you do it, the faster you do it, the faster you manifest. I have manifested a large amount of money out of this method, and it came in within 60 days, less than 60 days. So let's get to it. The 100 times is when you visualize something 100 times. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to visualize, because it's not just you sitting there closing your eyes and imagining. It is very much deeper than that. And then while you're imagining things 100 times, you're going to write down that same thing 55 times per day. So in order for you to manifest that big dream, you have to imagine it 100 times while at the same time you write it down 55 times every single day. So let's say if you divide that 100 times into 20 days and you imagine that 5 times each day and you write it down 55 times each day, you're going to see changes. You're going to realize how close you are to your manifestation, and you're going to see the wheel of fortune starting to turn for you after the 20 days. You're going to receive your manifestation after the 20 days, no questions asked. So let's talk about the imagination 100 times. When I talk about imagining something, I don't mean for you just to, for example, say, I want to be happy in life and imagine yourself happy. You want to go deep. You want to imagine it in a way that it's so real. It's detailed. You can feel the smell. You can feel the colors. You can feel and touch everything around you. You have to go so deep that it becomes real for you after 100 times of imagining it. So I'm going to share with you a trick here that's going to help you become a better visualization master. And that trick is for you to write down the vision that you have. So for example, pinpoint the dream that you have. If you want to be a happier version of you, what makes you the happier version of you? What are you missing in life? Is it the dream career? Is it the dream true love? Is it your dream healthy body? Is it a dream income that you're dreaming to have? So whatever it is that you are dreaming to have, pinpoint in detail and then imagine yourself in that lifestyle. Bring a day of that lifestyle into reality for yourself and write it down. Like a story. So in my case, it would be, I just woke up this morning in the bed. My love was beside me, hugged and cuddled and said good morning. My baby boy, healthy and happy, called me mama this morning, and he came to me happy, joyful. And then my babysitter arrived and they started playing with my baby boy, and we were all happy, having fun. They had a really, really awesome schedule for this day. And I went in front of the mirror. I looked at my beautiful body. I'm so blessed to have the body of my dreams. And then I took a shower. I got ready in my beautiful outfit. You're going to write down what outfit you're wearing, the style that you want to have in your dream life. And then again, I went in front of the mirror. I looked at myself and I kissed myself because I love myself and I'm proud of who I became. And then I went downstairs. I made my green smoothie and I did yoga, whatever that you want to have in detail. I got ready. I started my work. My personal assistant arrived. We started working together. I made that amount of dollars today, and I usually make on average this much amount every single month. So you're basically telling a story about yourself, about one day of your life, and in general, like how much are you making per month. Like people around you are healthy, and then you're gonna say, tonight we have a celebration in my house celebrating the health of myself and my family. We all had our doctor examination done, we're all healthy, we're celebrating it tonight, and we're having a dinner together. That's showing you're being grateful for being healthy, you and your family. And you're just going to keep going with all the things that you have in plan for yourself. You're going to write down that story, and then you're going to record your voice reading that story to yourself on the recorder of your phone. It depends. If you are a reader, if you're a person who reads and better imagines, better observes what you're reading, then just read what you wrote every single day. But if you're a person like me who wants to hear, so I love to hear audiobooks. I'm not good at reading. I love hearing. I record my voice and I hear it every single day. That helps me a lot imagining things that I want to imagine. And then once you have it ready, if you decided to record your voice, perfect. If you decided to read it, perfect. Just have that with you all day, every day. And then just divide that 100 times into the number of days that you want to do your manifestation. I personally prefer to do this 3 times each and every day, the visualization part 3 times. And what I do is that I play back that recorded voice, I close my eyes, and I start imagining everything that's being said in that recorded voice. If you don't like your voice at the beginning, it's normal. No one likes to hear their voice on the recording on their phone. Just keep going, you're going to get used to it. And if you want to change something, you feel like you heard it a couple of times, you feel like you want to change and alter some of the parts of that desired dream of yours, go ahead and change it. Make it better. And every single day, listen to it and visualize it and make it even better and more real for yourself. Do this 100 times. So depending on your schedule, doesn't matter if you want to do it in 100 days, manifest in 100 days, do it once a day. The best times for you to do the visualization, one of them is before your bedtime. So I personally, if I want to do it 2 times per day, I listen to it once in the morning when I wake up and once before I go to bed, because these are the two most powerful times of your brain to visualize and to manifest. As soon as you wake up and as soon as you go to bed. Now, every single day, as you're going with the flow of your visualization and listening to your audio or reading it, every single day, you're going to choose a journal and write down what you want to manifest 55 times in a short form. So you want to, let's say, manifest your true love. At the same time, you want to manifest your dream career. At the same time, you want to manifest your dream family. You're going to write down as if it already happened 55 times, and you're going to number it from the top of the page. And then you're going to repeat that again. Number 2, same thing you're going to write. Number 3, same thing you're going to write. Just go 55 times and go on the next page if you need more room, and do that every single day. That is the trick to this. 55 times for 55 days, visualizing it 100 times. Now, there is a secret to this on how to activate it to be more powerful. That's what I talked about at the beginning of the video. The secret is that usually when we're trying to manifest, we do the practices and then we go on with the day. We start thinking so many negative things. We let our brain play with us the game of negativity, and we just go on with the day. And then we're like, I wrote it today, I visualize it, why didn't it happen? Because your brain is feeding you so many negative things throughout the day. It cancels out all the things you've done in your manifestation ritual. So what you need to do is that you have to reprogram your mind in a way that it thinks positive all throughout the day. It kicks out all the negative thoughts automatically without you getting engaged with this whole activity of the brain. You have to make your brain into a positive machine, and then you have to make sure your energy is aligned at all times. I'm going to give you a very short explanation about this energy alignment because every human being needs to know this in the world, and it's not really being talked about a lot. I don't know why, but that's the main part of manifestation. And that is, every single month, we're living on planet Earth. And there are other planets around us, which one of the most important ones is Moon, and the other one is Sun. Moon and Sun, they affect our energy every single month. When the Moon is full and when the Moon is new, where the Sun is standing on that specific day and where the Earth is standing on that specific day of the full moon and new moon, affects your energy, affects everyone's energy. And doesn't matter how much you try to keep yourself aligned on the full moon and on the new moon, especially on the full moon, you're going to feel heavy energies. You're going to feel headaches. You're going to start fighting with people. You're going to feel so stressed out. You're going to feel tired and sleepy because it's affecting your body, because our body is made out of 60% and more water. The moon, full moon, affects all the water surfaces on the planet, including the water portion of your body, and that affects your energy level. For that reason, you have to do every single month's full moon and new moon ritual. You have to. If you don't do this, then you're missing out. A very key point of manifestation. Yes, obviously doing a 155 method will work, but it's really going to be on a shaky ground, because if your energy goes off because of the full moon during that manifestation period, you're going to have a setback. Again, you have to push yourself back into the root of manifestation and the energies of the manifestation. So doing full moon and new moon ritual every single month is the most essential, is as essential as oxygen in every human being's life. As soon as I personally started doing full moon and new moon rituals, I have seen miracles in my energy shift that I haven't stopped doing those rituals. And if for any reason I missed it for 1 month, which I did miss for 1 month, what happened was that I was messed up energetically. I do meditation every single day. I do so many different rituals every single day, which, by the way, I show in my online course. I teach people. And still, the full moon affected my energy that single month when I haven't done the full moon ritual. So it's really important. The key point about full moon and new moon rituals is that every single month, the full moon and new moon rituals are different depending on the location of all the planets. So you have to have that unique ritual that's effective. And that comes from my master, who is an astrologer, and it is life-changing rituals I get from him. And not many people have that ritual in the world, because he only has 7 students. I'm one of them. And none of those students share those rituals with other people. They only do it for themselves. I'm the only one who has the online course, and I share it with other people lifetime. So whoever joins my online course, they can get lifetime full moon and new moon rituals for the rest of their lives every single month. If you want to know about the online course and how you can get your rituals, the link is below in the description. It's called the Manifest Now online course, and you're going to see in the bracket full moon and new moon rituals. Click on that link. You're going to learn how you can get your rituals for the rest of your life. But even before that, try the 155 method. It is so powerful. It is life-changing. Believe me, I manifested my baby boy using this method. I have tried to become pregnant for 2 years. It didn't work. As soon as I started manifesting, it worked in less than 60 days. I was pregnant without going to a fertility clinic. I was pregnant. So it works. It is magical. It is directly connected to the power of the universe, God, angels, whatever you want to call it. It's connected to that higher power, and it works 100% of times. I love seeing people manifest successfully. So if you do use this method and 100% you're going to manifest, don't forget to share your experience with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to share with you magical manifestation methods, signs from the universe, true stories about my successful manifestations, and so many other things on my channel, which is going to be really fun, and it's really going to help you in your manifestation journey. I love you. I'm rooting for you, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.